Yes, hello everyone, welcome to our next Femitech video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm going to show you how to change the booting device for this HP laptop. The model number, it is one of the HP 15 model number, so let's go ahead. So first you need to power it up, press the power button. Once it is powered up, continue pressing down on the F9 button. Right, so as you can see, continue pressing down on the F9 button and you're seeing boot option menu. So this is where you actually change your booting device. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember click on that subscription button, leave comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So all those persons out there who want to know how to repair or fix different problems with your laptop, then this is the YouTube channel for you. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.